Welcome to Homely Chat class. Today I'm Homely speaker James, and today is Saturday, also the weekend for last week. Today I'm gonna give you a weekly review about the last week, the market performance, and where the future direction, and where the future I mean from the mid short term. What are we gonna do? How about your operation strategy? How about your operation strategy right now? Actually, from the global world, from the financial market, let's check the financial outside the share market. First is the gold market is still, I'm happy to see the chart like this, a gold chart, because it proved my imagination about the gold direction. Because I always hold my opinion about gold. Actually, I'm not very much like gold. Actually, of course, from my own opinion. But as we know, the gold currently is very weak already. The line, you can see the line here. I draw you a long time ago. I think around 2 months ago, I show you this line. His support at 1,200. Before he break, I already show you this line, his support line here. Currently is totally break, far below the support line. Now the lowest point already last night already touched the 1155. Actually, I still remember last time. A retail told me he's investing in gold. He buy the Malaysia gold, the Negra gold, but he told me he will think his opinion about the gold will be the biggest winner in all these years. But I think this kind of hope can totally disappear right now, because no good from the chart, right? And this one, that's why we are bring the gold down like this, because the US dollar is a US dollar index, as we know. Wow, US dollar very strong yesterday, hit the 101. Of course, slightly lower than the previous peak point at 102, right? And from the hourly chart now is correction, retracement right now, 4 hours till now, 4 hours. And this is the oil chart. Last week I give you my opinion about because oil very strong, right? After OPEC decided to cut the oil production, then oil hit a new high 52. But I told you before, this kind of oil chart can move strong. It's about news, right? It's not about real economic, real oil demand is up. So actually retracement 3 days, now currently 2 days rebound. It's about the outside market, no relation with the share market. Actually, also some kind of relation with the share market. Okay, let's back to the share market first. Share market, I'm gonna show you first. Let's check the index. Which one? Let's check the index first. Okay, index. First, let's back to the which market? I want to show you the Dow Jones. Okay, let's see the Dow Jones actually keep bullish, keep high, cost of Trump policy also news stimulates the market crazy like this. I never saw the market, because from the previous chart no reason, just because of news, just because of crazy people bring the index crazy like this. From the weekly, we can continue 5 weeks. 5 weeks are very high. Be careful, because short-term gonna go retracement. Short-term must retracement, definitely retracement. Mid short-term. And back to our local market, KLCI. Okay, F4, I click F4, then click OK. You will show KLCI. From the KLCI already, because the last time I already showed you the three box. Last time I showed you the box here, right? Now currently already this week actually already break the box areas. Of course, the good news. And then also the good news for the December, right? From the beginning, before December, I always give you the hope about December is a good chance to invest, because currently from the history we know that December, of course, is a good chance for you to buy, right? From the weekly, okay, continue 3 weeks, 3 weeks positive, guys. 3 weeks midterm. I mean the midterm already give you a good sign. If you already inside before him moving up, of course, you good. You already, I think you can. You already profit from the share market. But if you still wait and see, if you still wait and see, this kind of investor, I think actually is not a good investor in the share market, because he cannot make decision. He's not willing to take the risk to invest in share market. Actually, this kind of, I don't think he can make money or big money from the share market, because it's too careful. Actually, careful is good, right? But if you're too careful, just the reversed, just the reversed. It's about QLCI. Okay, let's check the individual performance from the QLCI. Okay, let's click the Malaysia market here. Malaysia market, go to Malaysia market, then we'll see. Okay, let's check the weekly performance of the QLCI individual shares from here. Okay, let's calculate how many individual shares up last week. Actually, this week. Okay, let's scroll down. Above 0 is up individual shares than QLCI. Moving up individual shares higher than the QLCI. I mean better than QLCI performance. Okay, the last one is Tom Park. And okay, we can see that individual shares totally is this week is 891 individual shares, and we got 346 individual shares moving up. Actually, around 40%. Actually, is also good lah than the the normal market. Actually, good sign. Very interesting things, because from the recently the individual shares I check, the familiar one for me and the not familiar one for me, I just take a glance about the individual shares. Actually, many individual shares already show you good signs, especially for homely members. Remember how to scan, filtering the individual shares right now. You go to because our homely system have a scanning platform, because just like many times I told you before, okay, let's take example. Like this one, right? Persona, why he can move up like this, right? Okay, MCD inside. You can see the banker, the red bar for banker, big player, right? Institution, big fish. Red bar for institution, and the green bar for retailer, for loser. The price going down because of so many green bar inside, because of loser inside, so that why the price cannot move. The red bar for banker, when the big player come in, the price moving higher and higher, with the banker higher and high, the price can higher and high. 50% is the balance areas. Above 50 means the banker above 50. Banker above 50 means banker totally control this kind of share, easily fly, right? Easily fly. How to buy and sell? You can go to EXP, go to AdExpert, go to the Trend Expert. First one, green to purple for buy, purple to green for sell. Remember how to buy and sell. If you make money, you should know where the exit. Okay, how to scan? Go to our scanning platform, filtering platform. All the indicator I show you, like the banker, like the Trend Expert, you all can do scan. You want to filtering the banker shares, okay, also can do the scan. How? Go to the hourglass, can see here, go to the hourglass here, technical filter, click one time. Okay, every time before you do the scan, click clear first, click more time, click this one, then the left side, because scanning platform many indicator you can do the scan. I cannot show you one by one because too many. You can use MA to do the scan. Probability inside we got RSI, KDJ, WR, DMI, energy group we got a volume indicator. You can do a scan. Turnover rate can do a scan. Quotation You can use a market value, do the scan. You also use this one. You can see here, close price. I mean the close price, do the scan. The range close price from where to where. You also can do the scan. Candlestick pattern, you can do the scan. Engulfing pattern, hammerhead, morning star, evening star, doji, you also can do the scan. Signal group, our homely signal group, you can do a scan. Homely signal group, you can do a scan. Strong signal, homely Taiji signal, you can do a scan. Add expert, just like the first one. Green to red, red to green, some kind like that. Trend expert, you can do a scan. Other signal, and okay. Finally, I want to show you. The multicolor dragon, the banker indicator to the scan, right? It's very exciting indicator to the scan. How? Click the logical filter. Click the logical filter. Okay. You can see here amount. You can see here amount. Then arrow down. Click. You found the banker's name. The indicator name. Still remember? You can mark MCD. We call, if you difficult for you to remember, you can mark as McDonald MCD. Click one time. The condition here don't need change. No need change. For fresh hand, no need change. You just take the value here. You can see the value. Take the value. Then write the number here. I mean the number. What kind of number means? How many percent banker you want? Because the previous I show you. Here, banker we got from 0 to 100. You can see the left side. Left side, you can see here 0 to 100. 0 to 1. So, how many percent banker you want? Below 25, banker still weak. Means share price still moving low area, moving slowly high. Above 50 means banker totally control. Means banker already control this kind of shares, can easily pull up the share price. So normally, for mine, I prefer combine current market situation. I prefer 50. I prefer 50. Then you add the condition. After you click 50, then you add. Can see here below. Add where? Add here. You can see here the condition you already add here. Okay. Then you take M here. You can see M. Okay. M for what? M for Malaysia, because this system I give you 3 market data. S for Singapore, M for Malaysia, H for Hong Kong, I give you 3 market data. Which market you invest, you just take, you just take M. You can see below is stock or warrant, depend on you. If you invest in market share or invest the stocks, whatever you like. If you just invest the stock, okay, just take stock. If you both, you just take both, okay. Then the right side you will see the filter. You can see here, you just click the filter. Then here gonna show you the result where you just click the filter, then the right side the blank areas, then will show you the result. Because this video is public. I cannot click and show you the result, because also I got the no homely number here. I cannot show you the tips. Sorry about this. Homely member, if you already have the system, you just click do the filter. And I told you because combine. Recently, I found many. I got if I correct, some shares just hit 50 for the first day or second day. You pick this kind of shares. I think it's very potential. First day hit 50%. Banker hit 50% is very good. You click filter, then you will see the result. Then you can check one by one. For homely members. Remember currently how to scan. I mean the potential one. Okay. That's a brief introduction about the market and our system. That's all for the today class. If you have any question, you can just call me. My phone number is 012-269-3102. 012-269-012. If you have any question about the system or about the stock seminar, I welcome you. All the investor is welcomed. Okay, all the investor welcome. If you want to know more about us, know more about our system, know more about the current market or your individual shares. How about your individual shares right now? The individual share you hold, got a banker inside or not? Can make money or not? Can rise with the rest of 20 days of 2016. is very important. If the previous 10 days you cannot make money, forget about that. You already passed. You know, the rest of the 20 trading days, trading days is very important for you. Okay, that's for today's class. Any question, can just let me know. Thank you.